Good morning, students. This is Shivaraj Patil, and welcome to Maths of YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the problems based on the arc length and area of the sector. Arc length. In previous classes, already we have discussed about what is the length of the arc in radian meter. What is the length of the arc in radian meter, and what is the area of the sector in radian meter. Okay, this is the L is equal to R into theta, and this is the A is equal to 1 by 2 R square theta or 1 by 2 L into R. Based on these two concepts, we will solve some questions. Okay. Okay. First one is question: find the angular radian through which find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings of its length is 75 cm and the tip describes an arc length 21 cm. And given a pendulum of like this, a distance r, radius r, they given pendulum swings if its length is 75 meter. Okay, 75 centimeter. Okay, and the tip describes an arc length 21 centimeter. This arc length is L is equal to 21 centimeter. Find the angle. Find the angle. Theta is equal to S. This is in radian meter or degree meter. The reason, students, like given a question like that, there is a pendulum swings like that. Okay, sir, left, right, or right, left. Okay, with the radius length is 75 centimeter and arc length describes an arc distance of 21 centimeter. For then find the theta. Okay, sir. The formula you know what is? Okay, sir. Theta is equal to L by R, the standard formula according to the radian meter formula. So L becomes, the length becomes, where R theta is the angle, R is the radius, and L becomes R into theta. What they given? This is not necessary. Directly you can substitute. Okay, theta is equal to L by 21. Okay, L by R means L by 75 by 21. This gives, this is centimeter is there, here centimeter is there, so get cancelled. That's why theta is a unitless. So 75 by 21. Okay, 3 7 3 1 3 5 15 by 7. Answer is we are confused. Okay, length, they given length is 21, R is, I taken the reverse, length is 21, R is 75. 3 into 7, 3 into 15, 3 into 25. So theta becomes 17 by 25. So almost, because of this definition, this formula holds good only in the radian meter. So automatically this is will be in radian. Next question is this is find the radius of a circle in which the center angle of 60 degree intersect an arc 37.4 centimeter length. Find the radius of a circle in which central angle of 60 degrees intersect. radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. They given a circle. You have to find the radius. And the given condition. Central angle of 60 degree intercepts an arc of 30 degree. Central angle means any angle 60 degree. And intercept means also. What is intercept? Intercept. Subs means cuts. Okay, sir. Cuts. R means part. Part of the circle, part of the line, part of the surface, part of the plane. Okay. Makes 37.4. This becomes L becomes 37.4. 37.4. For the example, find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. First work is here. They given 16 degree the dot. Okay. The theta is equal to 60 degree, and this is written as 60 into 1 degree, because 180 degree is equal to pi radians. So 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radians. You should convert the degree into radian first. So this becomes then 60 into pi by 180. 60 1s are 16. This becomes pi by 3 radians. Then you should find the R. What is our formula? Theta is equal to L by R. Then R is equal to, by interchanging the okay, sir, reciprocal products. Okay, R becomes L over theta. This is equal to, what is they given? 37.4 divided by theta is pi by 3. So this simplification gives, what is the value of pi? Pi is 22 by 7. Therefore theta becomes 374 by 10. By simplifying writing into 1 by 3 into 7 by 22. Solution. The answer gives, okay, this becomes 3. 3 goes outside. So this value becomes, what is the value? 35.7 centimeter. In exam, you should use the calculator. If you are doing the mathematics, okay, it gets some time consuming work. Okay. See, here it is not possible to calculate 37.4 into 3 into 7 by 22. Is it? What are the possibilities? 22, 11. Okay, what is the 11? 2 is the 11, 3 is the 4.4. Okay, you can get 3 1s are 0.7. So this becomes 21 into 1.7. This gives 21 plus 21 into 7. 21 into 7. 7 plus 7 into 2. 14 means 14.7. Okay, 14.7. This gives 2135 plus 30.7. Okay, you can get, but okay, sir. The exam hall, we do not have much. Okay, you do not have that much time to calculate this stuff here. So generally you can use the calculator over there. Next question is. Next question is. if the arcs of the same length in two circles, if the arcs of the same length in two circles subtends angle of 60 degree and 75 degree at their respective centers. In two circles, they given in two circles, they given two degrees. Two circles subtends an angle 60 degree. One have the 60 degree and another one has 75 degree. Okay. At the respective centers, arcs of same length, L1 is equal to L2. Okay, you can write L1, L2 not. L is equal to L, means L1 is equal to L2 condition. Find the ratio of their radii. Find the ratio of their radii, means this is R1, this is R2. You have to find the ratio of the radii. Question is, what is R1 by R2? Question mark. What they given, sir? What they given? They given two sectors, okay? Two circles. The makes an, okay, sir. The two circles makes an angle 60 and 75 degree intercepts with a different radius with equal arc lengths. Then what is the ratio of the circles? See, first our job is theta 1 is equal to 60 degree. So this is equal to, okay, sir, 60 into pi by 180. 61 is 63 is, and this becomes pi by 3. Theta 2 is equal to 75 degree is equal to 75 into pi by 180. This becomes 15 5 is 15 460 60 plus 15 75 15 5 is 15 1 is 15 2 is. So this becomes 5 pi by 12. 5 by 12. Then they have the condition is L1 is equal to L2. First condition. Okay. Then R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. What we need? We need R1 by R2, means theta 2 by theta 1. This gives 5 pi by 2 gives pi by 3. This becomes 5 pi by 2 makes the interchange again. Denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. 3 by pi. This cancel. This is equal to 15 by 2. Answer is five by 12. Na? This is 12. Okay. 3 ones are 3, 4 are. So this becomes 5 by 4. Therefore, theta R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4. Respective radii. Next question is next question is the large hand of a big clock is 35 cm long. Large hand of a big clock is there. Large hand somewhere else is 35 centimeter. This is the 35 centimeter. How many centimeter does it tip move in 9 minutes? Length is there given 35 centimeter. We want okay, what the question? How many centimeter? How many centimeter? What is the description? Okay, describe of large hand in 9 minutes. What distance it describes? This you have to see, they given only L only. They given L is equal to 35 centimeter. We don't know anything else. So let's consider only for the full length solution. This hand covers 2 pi degrees. This hand covers 2 pi r radiation distance in takes 2 pi degree centigrade. 2 pi radians. 2 pi radians. What is the 2 pi r here? 2 pi r means r is what? R is 35. This becomes 70 pi. Distance for 2 pi angle. Next concept is here. The next concept is the 1 hour. It means 3 degree. For 2 pi degree, for 2 pi radian, it takes 60 minutes. Listen carefully. For 60 minutes, it takes 2 pi radians. 60 minutes, it takes 2 pi radians. What we want? For 9 minutes, we want 2 pi by 60 into 9. For 9 minutes, because this is 60 minute equal to 2 pi degree, 1 minute is equal to 2 pi by 60, and 9 minute is equal to multiply the 9 by both sides. 60 becomes 9. For 9 degree, it moves to 2 pi by 9 radian. Here, what we have? For 2 pi, we have 70 pi centimeter. Here, for 2 pi, have 75 centimeter. For 1 degree or 1 radian, we have 70 pi by 2 pi. It cancel 2 on the 2, 35. This becomes 35 centimeter. For this one, 9 minute, 2 pi by 60 into 9, this gives 35. Yes, multiplying both sides. See, 35 into 2 pi by 60 into 9. This gives 3 9s are 3, 20. 5 4 5 7. So this gives 2 1s are 2 2s are 7 into 3 into 22 by 7 into 1 by 2. 7 7 get cancelled. This makes 2 1s are 2 11s are 33 centimeter. Answer would be, let's check the answer. 33, yes. See, I have not here I have simplified. Steps are very important. Okay, the books they given shortcuts. Steps are very important here. First thing is for 2 pi radians, total circumference. Okay, sir, this is centimeter. Total circumference covers in 360 degree, 2 pi radians. So they given length. So that's why in 2 pi, for 2 pi degree, 2 pi radian, the hand covers 70 pi centimeter. Okay. What do you want? This covers in 1 second. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is 2 pi radian. For 9 minutes is 2 pi by 60 into 9 radian. Because this is a calculation. Okay. See here, if it covers 2 pi radians for 70 centimeter, and for 1 radian it covers 75 to 2 35 centimeter. For 1 radian it covers 35 centimeter. For 2 pi by 60 into 9 radian, like that. This you can simplify also. This gives 2 1s are 3, 3s are 3, 3s are 3, 10s are. This becomes 3 pi by 10 also. For 3 pi degree, or the distance it covers. Okay, so multiply 3 pi by into 3 pi by 10. So this also gives same 5 2 the 5, 7 the 7 into 3 by 2, 22 by 7, 7 get cancelled, 2 1 the 2 11 the, so 33. Yes, the steps are very important. Next question is, same question based on the clock only. So next question also, so I'm going to skip that one. Next question is, I have to page now. Next question is important. Next question is question number 2. Next question, sir. The next question is, find the angle in radians between the hands of a clock at 7:20 p.m. Hands are the angle between the hands of a clock. Angle between hands of a clock. This is the 7:20 time, 7:20 p.m. So this is 7. This is 7 and this is 8. Okay, this is the around here. This is around here. This is the clock. Okay. Okay, write up it. This is 12. This is the 6. This is the 3. This is the 9. Okay. Or they ask, what is the angle between hour end and between the hour end and minute hand? This is the hands of a clock, or they have the hands of a clock with the 7:20. Exactly. Everyone here for 30 degrees. One division, the total clock has 360 degrees. The total clock 2 pi radian. You have 12 divisions. We should remember the 12 division. Total angle is 2 pi radian, and the number of divisions, equal divisions are 12. So that's why each division becomes 2 ones are 2, 6 becomes pi by 6 radians. Each division are called also 30 degree. Okay, each division. So here we want the angle between these two ends right now, 7:20. So it has 7. Okay, let's consider again. Then the small angle is that 7, and my large angle is, minute angle is 4. This becomes 7 minus 4, 3. Means there are 3 divisions. 1, 2, 3 minimum. So 3 into pi by 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 is equal to pi by 3 radian. At for 7 degree, okay, set 7 o'clock, exactly 7 o'clock, it would be like that, okay. Okay, not exactly, okay, it's moving 20 minutes. First, the angles between the 7 and 4, you can tell. The angle of the division 7 and division 4 is pi by 3, that 90 degree, exactly. Okay, pi by 3. 3 ones are 3, 2s are 90 degree. This is 2. Exactly 90 degree. Okay. Then it covers 20 minutes later. Then hour hand, take the hour hand. Hour hand. It takes for one division to one division. Okay, sir. For 1 hour, it takes 30 degrees. Means pi by 6 radian for 1 hour. So you have the 20 minutes extra for 20 minutes. Means this is for 60 minutes. This pi by 6 radian. For 1 minute, this pi by 6 into 1 by 60. For 20 minute is equal to pi by 6 into 1 by 60 into 20. 21 is 20, 3 is the, so this becomes pi by 18. Total value is, so this is pi by 2 and this is pi by 18. So therefore total angle is, total is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 18. This becomes LCM is 18. So 9 pi plus pi divided by 18. This becomes 10 pi by 18. This becomes 5 pi by 9 radian. We do not need to write the radian. Yes, 5 pi by 9 radian. 5 pi by. The simple thing is here, 12 the clock has 12 division and it's a complete circle. Yes, for complete circle you have a 2 pi radian. For 12 division, okay, sir, for 12 division, it makes each division with pi by 6 degree. If you divide, because for 12 it has 2 pi degree, for 1 it becomes 2 pi by 12. For 1 division, not 1 degree, 1 division, each division. So that is the answer. For the next step is 60 minutes, it takes pi by 3. 1 hour, the hour end covers 60, okay, sir, pi by 60 degree in 1 hour or 60 minutes. So this is the obvious answer. Pi by 2 plus pi by 10 is equal to 5 pi by 9. Next question is, listen here. If the angle of a triangle is the ratio of 3:4:5, find the smallest angle in degrees and the equidistant angle in radians. The angles of the triangle are in the ratio. Angles of the triangles are in the ratio 3:4:5. Okay. Find the smallest angle in radians and greatest angle in, find the smallest angle in degree. Small angle in degree, great angle in, greatest angle in radian. Just like it. Okay. The triangle is there. The basic question is, this question is triangle. One angle has 3:4 and 5. Ratio, you know what the ratio? If you write 3 by 4, what you write if you multiply by the same number, 2 by 2, this becomes 6 by 8. Okay, sir. Means this you can write, this is the, so you can write 3x by 4x to get the values. This is the ratio, these are the values. Their values. You will get some values, something else. So this becomes 3x becomes values. So that's why. For the ratio means we can write, so 3x plus 4x plus 5x. Their total values, total angles. Okay, sir. Each angle, one has 3x angle, one has 4x angle, 5 the 5x angle. Total angle becomes 180 degree because total sum of the angles in triangle is 180. So this becomes 4 into 7, 7 into 12, 12 into 5, 12. Yes, sir. 12x is equal to 180. 12 ones are 6 is 12 5 is, so x is equal to 15 degree. Yes, you can take the radian or degree. So I am taking the degree because they ask the smallest angle. What is smallest angle? 3 is the smallest ratio. Smallest angle is equal to 3 into 15 degree. This becomes 45 degree. Greatest angle in radian, greatest angle greatest angle is equal to what is 5 into 15 degree. This is 75 degree. What then radian? This becomes 75 into 1 degree. This is equal to 75 into pi by 180. This gives 15 5 15 1 15 2. Okay, 5 pi by 12. Greatest angle becomes 5 pi by 12 radian. Yes. These questions are for the competitive exams. This looks like for any UPS or the state books, okay, SSC exams, they will ask such a questions, okay, tricky questions or easiest, okay, sir, tricky but easy. Next question is the angles of triangle in AP and number of degrees in the least to the number of radians in the greatest is 60:5. Find the angles in degrees and radians. Okay, sir. The angles of triangles are in AP. Okay, sir. Angles of triangle are in AP, arithmetic progression. Another one is the number of degrees in the least to the number of radians in the greatest is 65. Degree to radian, okay, sir. Degree to radian, they given something else equal to 60 by pi. And find the angles in degrees and radians. Find the angles in degrees and radians. Both, we ask both concepts. Degrees and radians. Solution is here. What is the AP? Absolute question means the common difference D. So, if I take an A as the first one, so I can write A as A plus D as second one and A minus D as the previous one. For the covenant, I am taking this one. A minus D and A plus B the angles of the triangle. Okay, sir. Angles of the B the angles of triangle. Yes, sir. Apply the condition again. Then A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 180 degree. Yes, sir. D get cancelled. 3A is equal to 180 degree and A becomes 60 degree. Okay, sir. The corresponding angles are then 60 degree minus D, 60 degree and 60 degree plus D, corresponding angles. Again, they given degree to radian 60:5. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. They given least angle something else. They given 60:5. Now one angle is degree and another is radian. See, the ratio is the least angle is in degree and the greatest angle in radian. Greatest angle in radian. Least angle in degree and greatest angle in radian. So I am taking the same 60 minus D, okay, is the degree. Okay, divided by greatest angle in radian. Greatest angle is this one. What is the radian? How to write? This is pi by 180. To write in radian, then this becomes 60 divided by pi. This is the next concept or next clue they given. So simplification, this gives 60 minus D. Okay, sir. This multiplication goes to, this division goes to multiplication, and remaining is 60 plus D into pi is equal to 60 divided by pi get cancelled. 60 ones are 60 threes are. So next cross multiplication and simplification. 180 minus 3d is equal to, is it 60 plus d? Rearrange the terms. 180 minus 60, this becomes 4d. This means 120 is equal to 4d. 4 ones are 4, 3 is are. So d becomes 30. Common difference becomes 30. Therefore, the corresponding angles 60 minus 30, 60 and 60 plus 30. This gives 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so they ask in the radian also. Radian you have pi by 6, pi by 3 and pi by 2. Do the simplification steps. That's easy one. No? They have done several questions based on the degree and radians. Next question is taking the moon's distance from the earth as a 360,000 kilometer and the angle subtended by the moon at the any point O on the earth is a half degree. Estimate the diameter of the moon. As the question number 7 is very important. Okay, they give a moon. Okay, they want to ask the diameter of the moon. This one. The angle subtended by the arc on the earth is half degree. This is the space. Okay, so this is the earth, and this is the moon. Okay, and this angle is 1/2 degree, half degree. Is it? Estimate diameter of the moon. Okay. This is the one of the method to calculate the diameter. If you know the distance or if you know the diameter, so one. Okay, you can out of 3 parameters. If you know the 2 parameters, you can find out the third remaining parameter. Yeah. They given theta. This is and distance is 360,000. Is it kilometer? Want to find the radius, the diameter. Okay. This is an arc. The direct limits because this is almost arc. Okay, so you can consider the diameter because the vastness. Okay, so the largest distance. No, you can consider. So first one is our first thing is. So they given theta in degree. First we take the theta degree is equal to 1/2 into pi by 180. So this becomes pi by 360 radian. This becomes pi by 360. Then what they ask? They ask L is equal to R into theta. L is 360,000 into pi by 360. Okay. 360 ones are 360 ones are. Remaining is 1000 into pi. What is the value of pi? 1000 into 3.1417. 1417. The value of pi 1417 or 1416. 1416 in numericals. This becomes 3141.6 kilometer. Therefore, the radius or the diameter of the moon is 3141.6 kilometer approximately. It's not exact value. This is approximate value. Or not exact value. Okay, exact because they given conditions for half degree for the and distance for 3,60,000 kilometer. Okay. Next one is this is a quite complex question. Let's see. Next is a sector of a circle radius r meters is bounded by an arc AB and two radii of OA and OB at an angle beta radians. Given that the perimeter of sector is 80 centimeter, they given one circle is there. Then arc length is there. Arc length is A and B, and this is L. The angle is beta. Yeah. Given that the perimeter of sector is 18 centimeter. Perimeter of the sector. Perimeter of the sector is 18 meter, and that of the area of the sector is 8 meters. Area of the sector. Area of the sector is 8 meters square. Calculate the numerical values of R and beta. Calculate the numerical values of R and beta. Calculate the numerical values of R and beta. Listen carefully. They are given two conditions: perimeter of the sector and area of the sector. What is the first? What is our formula? R 1 is equal to R into beta. Second one is equal to R square 1 by 2 R square into beta R 1 by 2 L into R. Okay. First question is what they given is R and R. Okay. Perimeter of the sector. What the perimeter of the sector is? This is 1 R remaining there, and the length is equal to 18 meter. Means 2R plus L is equal to 18. L is equal to 2R plus L is equal to 18 minus 2R. First condition. L is equal to 18 minus 2R. Second, they given A is equal to, here we can write 1 by 2 L into R. What is A? 8. They given 1 by 2. What is the value of L? 18 minus 2R into remaining is R. This becomes 16 is equal to 18R minus 2R square. Simplification. So rearrange the terms. I am taking 2 as common and rearranging. So this becomes R square minus 9R plus 8 is equal to 0. This is in the quadratic equation. This we can terminate. This becomes minus 8 minus 1. We can write this one. So this square R square minus 8R minus 1R plus 8 is equal to 0. This is simplification. Here R is common, remaining is R minus 8. Here minus 1 is common, R minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, R minus 1 and R minus 8 is equal to 2. Therefore, R is equal to 1 and 8 are the possible values. Radius 1 or 8 is equal to possible values. Just putting the R is equal to 1 somewhere else. Here they given what is the length? R into, so if R is equal to 1, then R into B is equal to 18. Then R is equal to 1 means B is equal to 1 into B is equal to 18. 18 or 16. What is the answer of this? B is equal to L is equal to 18 na? Meter. See, we should take this condition because they given perimeter, that is not the angle. So we have to take this one. If r is equal to 1, then L is equal to 18 minus 2 into 1. This becomes okay, we want the beta, no? We want beta. Something is okay, sir. Something is missing somewhere else. Yes, sir. This L you can write r into beta becomes 18 minus 2 into 1. Here r is equal to b is equal to 18 minus 2, beta is equal to 16. Angle is 16. Remaining condition, if r is equal to 8, then beta, then 8 into beta is equal to 18 minus 2 into beta is equal to 18 minus 2 into 8. This becomes 2. So beta becomes 2 by 8. This becomes 1 by 4. Or beta becomes 1 by 4. Yeah. The given condition here. The given one concept is there. For r is equal to 1, okay. For r is equal to 1, beta is equal to 16, 1 pair. For r is equal to 8, beta is equal to 1 by 4. Here, the given condition, beta is not equal to 16. The condition is if r is equal to 1, here, if r is equal to becomes 1, so this is not defined. This is not defined because this is quite difficult to define. Beta is not equal to 16. The angle would not become that much. Means it did not become a sector. So that's why our required value is r is equal to 8 and beta is equal to 1 by 4. Required values of r and beta are 1 by 4. Next question is this question is from the exercise part 1. Exercise part. An engine is traveling along a circular railway track of radius 1500 meter. A railway engine is moving along the circular track of radius 1.5 kilometer with a speed of 60 kilometer per hour. With the speed is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Find the angles in degrees turned by the engine in 10 seconds. Find the angle in degrees turned by the engine in 10 seconds. That means the traveler is tracking, obeying. So it covers for 60 kilometers per hour. Means 60 kilometers per hour. So we want the distance for 10 seconds corresponding the angle for 10 seconds. Solution is, let us take this one. In the total distance, we can find the 2 pi r by taking the 2 pi r is equal to 2 into pi into 1.5 is equal to 3 pi kilometer. Total circular distance of the train. The speed is, Okay, the speed is, it takes 60 km per hour. Yeah. It takes 60 km for 60 minutes. 60 km for 60 minutes. Yes, sir. I can write 1 km for 60 by 60. For 1 minute, you can write 1 km for 1 minute. For 3 pi kilometer, so it takes 3 pi minutes. For 3 pi kilometer, it takes 3 pi minute. As what we want in degrees. Means here you can cancel here again. So 1 kilometer means, okay, yes, 1 kilometer 1 minute. So 3 pi kilometer for 3 pi minute. 1 kilometer for 1 minute. Again that is getting 1 kilometer for 1 minute. Is it? 1 minute means for 60. Okay, so 1 minute means 60 seconds is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 second is equal to, okay, so 1 by 60 kilometer. 10 seconds is equal to, okay, so 10 by 60 kilometer means 1 by 6 kilometer. Yeah, 1 by 6 kilometer. For 10 seconds, it moves 1 by 6 kilometer. For 10 seconds, it moves 1 by kilometer. What is the time is? For 3 pi kilometer, it is the 3 degree. Next concept is, for 3 pi kilometer, it goes 2 pi radian. Or 360 degree. They ask the degree na 360 degree. Yeah, for 3 pi kilometer. Okay, na? Yes. For 1 kilometer, it goes 360 by 3 into pi. For 1 by 6 kilometer, it should take 360 by 3 into pi into 1 by 6. Yes, sir. This 6 ones are 6, 6 are 3 ones are 3, 20 is are. This is 20 by pi degree for 10 seconds. 10 seconds it moves 20 by pi degree. They given in, okay, the correct answer is also that one. Next question is, question number, last question. Again, last question is, we find out the distance diameter of the moon. Here we are going to find out the diameter of the sun. Estimate the diameter of the sun, supposing that it subtends an angle 32 degrees in the eye of an observer. Okay, and they are given that, and the distance of the sun is 91 kilometers. This is the sun, and this is our eye. Okay, sir. This is our eye. Okay, so what they asked, our eye makes an angle 32 minutes. Is it? 32 minutes at the eye. And the distance is 91 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. Again, the question asked is what is the diameter? This is the approximate. This is the L. T is equal to S2. That is 1. Or the value of D. Same sir. Here 32 is in degree. You should find out in the 60 minutes. Okay, sir. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. 60 minutes is equal to pi by 180 radian. 1 minute is equal to pi by 180 radian. 32 minutes is equal to pi by 180 into 32 radian. Okay, we got this one in radian. So what's our diameter formula? R L is equal to D is equal to R into theta. They given 91 into 10 to the power 6 into the value of pi by 180 into 32. Next, this simplification gives 91 by 180 into 22 by 7 into 32 into 10 to the power 6. This gives us, so this takes the time. So what I'm doing here, just try the, use the calculator and write the accurate value. The accurate value is 847,407. 847,407. 847,407.4 or 7.4 kilometer. This becomes 847,407.4 kilometers. For that purpose, 32 degree and 91 to 10 to the power 6 kilometer. Okay, students, this is the conclusion of the first chapter, first concept. Degree and radian measure length and area of the sector. So next class starts from the real trigonometric value, trigonometric functions. So this is only basics only, what the angle measure, what the radian measure, what the length and arc. Okay, sir, this see I am from the state government syllabus, my high school level or college level. So this the Indian school certificate, okay sir, national or international, that is the combine of okay sir, that is the composite of national and international level syllabus. Okay, this gives, even though our state books also gives okay sir, minimum ideas, okay, enough ideas, but this the problems and the concepts and the different problems makes us the more confident about the exams, about our future also, our course also. So this syllabus, the wonderful syllabus comparatively for the NCERT also, CBSE, has a wonderful syllabus. Okay sir, as of my knowledge, my experience, the first time, okay sir, I have the enough knowledge in mathematics. That is different way. I have to choose. You would choose some okay sir, limited easy topics in the graduation, and you would write the exam. You can pass out that degree. So that is the you have done the great mistakes in our graduation. So this is not like that. They given wonderful syllabus, wonderful problems, and they given some the most the every question cultivates our mind every time. Yes, sir. If you are only means you should be enthusiastic to solve this one. We will come with the next question, next chapter of trigonometric function. That is just a basic, very important. This okay sir, class 11 and class 2 mathematics or physics or chemistry, these are the foundation, the fundamental to the our next courses, next graduations, next diploma courses for your career. So whatever you want to, okay sir, you can do anything else in future, but these 2 years sir, you can write the J competitive exams, anything else, but when you are studying for these 2 years, okay sir, prefer these 2 years, consider these 2 years as a golden years in your life. The maybe not golden, or you can call the diamond years, you can okay sir, lucky, whatever it may be. Because I don't know what the academics they said the question paper this age, the age for the 16, 17, 18, 19 for this age group. Okay, because this age group has more energy and more potentiality in here, so you can cultivate, you can crack any exams, any tough questions, or any the complex understandings. Okay, students, that's why. So I am going to conclude this class with the first introduction of the trigonometric function with these sub concepts. So next class we will come into the real trigonometric function or circular functions of with the trigonometric values. Okay, until then, thank you very much. Please comment on the comment box whatever there are my mistakes and to give the feedback also. So thank you very much.